Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today I'll be doing a 2-year review on this keyboard right here. This is the CB-GK-18 from Cosmic Byte, also known as Firefly. This is the blue switches. Let me just show you, not the red one. And I would have to say, like, I have been using this for around 2 years, and I have been using this every day, like every day. I use this for office, and I have to say this is one hell of a keyboard. It's very sturdy. It's still very clicky. All the keys are clicky. No problem with the LED backlight. The LED backlight is still as bright as before. Let me just switch off the light and you can have an idea. So not a single LED has gone bad. I hear in other reviews or in my comments that their keyboard has stopped working in a few days, etc, but yeah, my own personal experience, 2 years, good as new. You can also see, like, the matte finish that had gone up. Some of the keys have actually has this polished feel because I use it so much. So by seeing that, you can know that this has not been lying around and I've been using it quite heavily. So yeah, my verdict: great keyboard. Of course, I will use it again. No discoloration anywhere. The keycaps are really good. The switches are really good. Nothing is wrong, and I still enjoy typing on this very clicky. So yeah, 2 years, no problem, still going strong. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.